Hey, this is Ryan Morgan. I'm doing a bike check on my 2011 Sunday Funday EX that I got online for $350. I think it was a pretty good price. You guys can give me some feedback on it. That would be nice. So I'll start. I got it off Craigslist. It's got some scratches on it, but it's barely showable really on camera. I got standard just Odyssey rims and the Odyssey Aiken front tire. It's not a dirt tire. It's the street tire, kind of like a park tire. I'm trying to get slicks, and then I have just Sunday forks, Sunday frame, the EX. Sunday and Odyssey are almost the same thing, so it's like an Odyssey stem, Sunday stem. Sunday bars, they're about, I'd say they're 8 by 26, or they're big. I think they might be 28. They're pretty big. Purple, Animal, extra long brake cable, Animal De La Rosa grips that are all banged up, bar ends. Everything on the bike operates perfect. I don't feel any pops in the cranks or anything like that. Every once in a while it'll pop. And then, I have a Shadow Conspiracy Pivotal seat. It's not comfortable, but who cares, because you don't ever sit down, Pivotal. Yeah. Sunday, cranks and freaking, yeah, bottom bracket. Shadow Conspiracy 25 tooth, purple sprocket. Same on the back tire, it's an Odyssey Aiken park tire. Not a half-link chain. I want to get a half-link chain, but I do dirt, so I don't really need all the park shit. Shadow Conspiracy purple pedals, and I'll set it down so you can hear the cassette. Here. Cassette's pretty loud. It's a pretty nice bike. I just trying to get positive feedback or negative feedback on if I got a good deal on it or not. So thank you very much. Bye.